Hey everyone, it's Eat with Lay Hearts, back with another video. And I'm here with
Zay.
And today we are doing the no burping challenge. I only got 1 2-liter because I'm not a huge pop drinker. I drink mostly water. I'll drink pop every once in a while. When I do my mukbangs is when I drink mostly pop, but
Yeah, her cup's a little bigger, so like, and I'll put it and fill it right there, so I can like make it even.
So, do you want to do it? I don't know. Pop does make me burp, so I don't know if I'll win this one. Plus, I feel like because we're doing this now, I feel like I have to burp. Oh, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell notification so you can be notified every time we put up a video. And then I was asked how you like it. If you see the thumbs up and thumbs down, if you hit the thumbs up and it turns blue, you've liked it. And if you hit the subscribe button,
Yeah.
it will be red. When you hit it, it should turn gray. That means you are subscribed.
There we go. Yeah. There we go.
Okay. Maybe we can pour more too in, so.
Ready?
Cheers to you guys and cheers to us. There we go.
It's cold.
Yeah. Only you and your grandma like warm pop. So how are my hearts today? Leave down in the comments how you're doing. And I will comment back.
Got it.
Know what you do, jokes. Start patio.
You too.
Don't do that. Cheated.
You're a cheater.
I have to mess with her. I should have done this with your mom.
I feel like I got a burp. Just keep drinking.
This is not cold enough. It needs ice. Let me know if you drink warm pop or just put it in the refrigerator and that's good enough cold for you, or you have to have ice. I have to have ice. She likes it warm.
Really?
She likes it warm.
I like it warm, but I could do both if I had to.
My Boo Bear, she likes it ice cold, but she can put it in the freezer or the refrigerator. Oh, my wife. I'm sorry. You look like you have to burp.
So do you.
No. I don't look like that. Oh, she burped. Yes.
I spilled.
I'm on a roll, guys. I'm on a roll.
I spilled.
I'm on a roll.
Shirt. Mom,
And
you're gonna have to do my weights.
Okay. I'm on a roll.
I don't know why you're so happy.
Because this is my second challenge. I won. Second, guys. She's been beating me.
Don't worry. Jeez. It's all the food I ate.
She goes.
Plus, I got heartburn. Excuse me.
Don't listen to her excuses. She doesn't let me give none.
No, I do have heartburn. I've been eating Takis.
Talkies?
And you want my-
You're like, no, ew.
Haha, if I'm gonna go down,
No.
you're going down with me. You're my mama.
Oh my gosh, you're all wet.
Exactly. Who's one of that? Too?
Not mine. How is it my fault? How is it my fault? Please tell me this.
Because you're mom.
You guys seen her spill it on herself, right? Leave it down in the comments.
Because you're mom. No worries. I'm gonna come back though. Don't worry. You won 2 challenges. That's all you're gonna
I'm
get.
gonna keep it going.
I'm gonna come back next time. I'm gonna come back.
No. I lost too many times. I'm done with that.
You're gonna stay in that place though. Do you need it back? Do you need to
This is a good challenge for me because I'm not an easy burper.
Oh, she needs it.
Oh!
Not an easy burper. Jeez, I get why you're an easy burper. Jesus.
I'm not an easy burper.
She
Usually
put
I
a
am.
whole savannah.
That's not.
Go
I did not
pandas.
fart. That's where that came from.
You did. You cleared a whole savannah by your noise.
Whatever. Well, I
Dies? What did you just say? Dies? Guys?
I don't know what
All I
came
heard,
out my mouth.
dice or guys?
I
All
don't
I
know
heard
what.
was the weirdest thing.
I had to
Dice?
say, okay, guys. I don't know what came out my mouth.
I don't know. I heard dice. I heard lots of things. I don't even know what it went.
You get that from your
Put
mama.
in the comments as if anybody's going to go to the movies for See Lion King.
Oh, put down in the comments if anybody's going this weekend to go see Lion King. We're so excited. Big, huge fans. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. Whoa. Sorry. Well, yeah, sorry. But leave in the comments if you're going to go see Lion King. We're so excited. Me and my wife know the cartoon version word by word, so can't wait to see what they've done with this. Hopefully they keep Timon and Pumbaa energetic and crazy and funny, and they do the dance.
Ooh, that's gonna be funny.
And so if you're going, let me know, put down in the comments. And when you guys do go, come back and let me know how you guys like it. And I will do the same. I won't give no spoilers out for those people that don't see it, but I'll let you know if I like it or if I don't. But yeah. So, and then I can't wait. It's not until the 2nd, but I am definitely going to see Hobbs and Shaw, the spin-off of the Fast and the Furious. I'm super excited to see that. Are you? The previews look amazing. So hopefully it lives up to its expectations. I'm so excited. A whole bunch of new good movies are coming out. So
Mulan.
Oh my goodness, I know. I want to see that. I wanted to see Aladdin, but I was kind of...
Doesn't that come next year though?
Yeah, 2020.
That's messed up. It must be very detailed. Better be very detailed if we had to wait that long.
What's coming out? There's something else coming out. What was the other one, babe?
What precious
I don't remember.
Ow, that's my ear, woman.
Oh.
That's my ear.
Oh, she needs a nap. Go get the blankie.
She's a dork.
Steady.
See?
Uh-huh.
Always messing with me. Let me know if you guys have kids and if they're always messing with you. You see this? It's just been gone all day. I think someone's missed me. Alright, well, we're gonna go ahead and close this out. I guys, see there I go again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you can be notified every time I put up a new video. And what'd you say?
Give us some suggestions on what other challenges or mukbangs you would like for us to do.
Yes. And we will try to do them. Alright, guys. To my hearts, we love you. Peace out. Bye.